Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic related to the tablet compression, and the importance of this topic can be understood from the fact that whenever I asked this question from the professionals or students in the pharmaceutical industry, about 90% of the professionals or the students are not able to give the answer of this question. And what is the question? I will explain all these in this video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button and do share this video to others. So let's come toward our main topic. Today we will discuss the stages of the tablet compression. In this video we will discuss about the tablet compression cycle. This question is one of the most important question which is asked during the interviews for the job of pharmaceutical industries, and after watching this video you will be able to give the answer of this question, and this video will also enhance your knowledge, skills and concepts. So the topic is that what is the tablet compression cycle, or there are how many stages of the tablet compression. The answer of this question is very simple. There are 4 stages of the tablet compression. First one is the filling, second one is the weighing or weight adjustment, and third one is the compression, and fourth one is the ejection. In this video we will discuss brief about these 4 stages or about the tablet compression cycle. To understand the cyclic process you must have a look over this diagram. First one is the filling, second one is the weight adjustment, third one is the compression, and fourth one is the ejection. Tablet compression process is completed into 4 stages and it is a cyclic process. First one is filling. Filling is also known as feeding. Second one is the weight adjustment. Weight adjustment is also known as metering. metering, metering. Third stage is the compression or compaction, and fourth stage is the ejection. In this video we will get brief information about all these 4 stages, and in our upcoming videos I will record a separate video on each stage. We will record a separate video on the filling to understand the physics and science of the filling. We will record separate video for the weight adjustment, how weight is adjusted on the compression machine. You have seen that we rotate the knob, or on the latest machines we press some buttons on the HMI. So how weight of the tablet is adjusted, how tablet hardness is adjusted, and how tablet thickness is adjusted. We will record a series of separate videos on all these topics because we have started a playlist on the tablet compression. So now let's start our main topic of the video, which is the tablet compression cycle or stages of the tablet compression. So to understand the stages of tablet compression, I have drawn a rough diagram. I will try to explain the stages of tablet compression from this diagram. So for brief introduction, this one is the hopper. Here we have the feeder or feed frame. Here we have lower punch. This one is the die bore. Here is the tail over die. These are the compression roller, and here are the lower punches, and this one is the ejection cam. You can clearly understand. First one is the filling, second stage will be the weight adjustment, third one is the compression, and fourth one is the ejection. Now I will explain each stage briefly. The first stage of the tablet compression is the filling. In the filling stage, powders or granules from the hopper flow into the feeder, and from the feeder die cavity is filled with the powder or granules, and this process of filling the powders or granules into the die cavity is known as filling or feeding, and this one is the first stage of tablet compression. Second stage is the weighing or weight adjustment. In second stage of the tablet compression, we adjust the weight of our tablet according to the batch manufacturing record. How weight of tablet is adjusted? For this, weight adjustment cam is installed in the compression machine, and when the lower punch pass over the weight adjustment cam, extra powders or granules from the die are removed. by the tail over die, and how this weight is increased or decreased we will discuss in our upcoming videos. How we rotate the knob on left side and how we rotate on the right side, what happens inside the compression machine when our knob is rotated on the right side or left side. We will discuss all these in the upcoming videos. So in the second stage of the weight adjustment, our weight is adjusted as per batch manufacturing record and extra powders or granules are removed by the tail over die. Next stage is the compression or compaction. In the compression or compaction, we apply the pressure over the powders or granules. To apply the pressure, we have a set of wheels known as compression rollers. One is the upper roller and second one is the lower roller. And when our upper punch and lower punch pass through the upper compression rollers and lower compression rollers, the pressure is transmitted through the punches to the powders or granules and a tablet is compressed inside the die cavity. So this one is the third stage of the tablet compression, which is known as compaction or compression. And now the last one or fourth stage of the tablet compression is the ejection. Mean a tablet is formed in the third stage. Now how tablet is removed from the die. For this lower punch and ejection came is used, and how this tablet is removed from the die. You can see from the rough diagram that our tablet is compressed inside the die bore and our tip of lower punch is still inside the die bore or die cavity. When this lower punch come over the ejection came, the tip of the lower punch come upward in the die bore and tablet is pushed upward, and when it reaches on the middle or top of the ejection came, the tip of the lower punch push the tablet outside of the die and our tablet is ejected from the die cavity, and this stage is known as ejection. In this way, our tablet is compressed and formed and die is again ready to fill with the powders or granules, and this cyclic process continues until our compression process is completed. So for brief overview, first stage of tablet compression is filling where powder or granules are filled in the die cavity. Second stage is the weight adjustment or metering where extra powder or granules are removed from the die with the help of tail over die and the tip of lower punch. This stage is known as weight adjustment, and in the third stage we apply a pressure over the powders or granules to compress the tablet, and this one is known as tablet compression or compaction stage. And last stage is the ejection stage where we eject the tablet from the die cavity with the help of ejection came and the tip of lower punch. So it was all about the stages of tablet compression or tablet compression cycle. In the next video we will discuss what is the filling. We will discuss each and everything of the filling step, how filling is done, what are the challenges during the filling, what is the role of feeder, what is the role of feeder housing during the filling stage. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button and do share this video to others. If you are looking for job, do visit my website thepharmacystjobs.com. Also visit my website pharmainform.com to read more interesting articles on the pharma topics. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.